Hey guys, I'm Cozy. In this video, I'm gonna demonstrate how to build doll's hands in advance since novices who have never produced a doll before. If you're a complete newbie, don't worry too much. Clip the corners very deeply where I pointed. This is gonna make it easier when you turn it right side out. Now you can draw 3 lines for making 4 fingers except the thumb. Next, we're gonna do is take a needle and thread to stitch along the lines. Did you finish sewing? So now let's insert our pipe cleaners in each finger before stuffing since each finger is too small. The order putting a finger is the middle finger, ring finger, little finger, index finger, thumb. After inserting them, we are gonna need our stuffing. In the outside of the arm, I've drawn a line a 1/4 inch from away at the edge. But you've got to draw V on the inside. the next one that we are gonna need is do a running stitch along the line and pull.